up, y'all? Kind of driving now, but we're all on our way to Andy's shop at Krowned Kustomz in Danville, Illinois. I just left work, find the little Harry Potter scar that's probably about to happen on my forehead now. Took a wrench to the forehead, but after that, we're rolling. We're going here. He's got a little customer appreciation, like truck show, truck meet thing going on. So we're going out there. Obviously, we're showing our support because that's who I get all my wheels and tires through. He does all kinds of other stuff as well. So we're gonna go down there. I don't know how many trucks will be there, but it's usually a good handful of them, probably 40 or 50 trucks, I would imagine. But we'll catch up to you when we get there and see what it's all about. Hey guys, it's tomorrow now. It started raining at Andy's show, Krowned Kustomz, so I didn't get a whole lot of like footage. Everybody was just kind of like inside and like hanging out. But today's the next day. We're gonna go to some local car show real close to where I work. The guy, he was putting flyers in our work all day, every day. But we're gonna go check it out. Just got the truck all washed up, and then see what it holds, I guess, and see what it is. It's not very long. It's only like 9 to noon or 9 to 2 or something like that. But we gotta enjoy these last little bits of shows around us, because probably after we go to SEMA, this thing will probably be put up for the winter. So truck is not going to SEMA, by the way, so don't think that. I go every year, hang out with everybody and see all the new stuff. But yeah, we're gonna go check that out now. All right, so we've made it out to this like Mooresville show. Like, I guess it's definitely an old person show, and they start playing fucking music. God damn it. All in all, there's like maybe 70 vehicles here, and they're all 3 times my age or more, so I don't know a whole lot about them, and there's not a whole lot going on here, so it's kind of boring. Yeah, we'll get to showing a little bit of what we're looking at. You guys will kind of understand why it's not really my cup of tea, but you know, it is what it is. The guy brought flyers into work, and I figured I'd show up. Alright, so not really the coolest thing ever. It's something to do, I guess, but we're going to the gas station. We're kind of leaving this place.
On foot.
On foot, yeah. I forgot about that. On foot. Just leave the truck there and walk to the gas station. This guy likes to fix some moto metals. Got them on his feet. Man, it's raining. Need some apples? What is that now?
Yeah, it's an apple.
It's a big ass apple. That bitch looks like it exploded.
You want it?
Spooktacular specials at the karate store. I bet this bitch was popping though if we would have came here this morning. All them goddamn Corvette owners in there. New Balances and Nike fucking, whatever you call them, swooshes.
Nike kicks.
Kicks? Oh, they ain't called kicks. Them old school Nikes. Them grass cutter 3000s, them ain't called kicks. I'll pop a picture up of them. I've seen about 14 fucking pairs so far, so. So we got some potato cheese bites, and then some chicken tenders, and some breakfast pizza.
It expired.
And a drink. And we're walking back to the car show, so yeah. Delicious. Alright, so we left that, whatever you want to call it, show. Definitely not worth the time we went to, but you know, it is what it is. You live and you learn. You never take a truck like this to a hot rod show. You know, it's kind of a no-brainer, but we wanted something to do on Sunday, so we're gonna head over to hang out with all the stunt riding kids. They're not kids, but all our buddies that are into it. We're gonna go hang out with them. CJ and Aaron, I think, are over there. Not sure about anybody else that I know, but kind of Sunday fun day kind of thing, just doing whatever, I guess. But we'll pick it up once we get over there, and I'm sure I'll get some footage of them doing some wheelies and whatever else shenanigans they do. But I'll catch you when we get there.